Did you know? Episode 5, Part 1. 14 unalived, Madison County Jail, Madison, Alabama. The numbers don't lie. This is a story of neglect, corruption, and a severely broken judicial system. I'm not an attorney. The following story is based on my personal experiences and from extensive research on the judicial system for the purposes of writing my books. They told me to keep my mouth shut. I told them I'm tired. It's time for me to start singing like a canary. Please take a moment to really absorb what I'm about to share. I understand that confronting uncomfortable truths can be challenging and it might be tempting to look away. However, I promise you that if you or someone close to you ever experience injustice, your perspective will shift dramatically. There is a saying that those who have not faced injustice cannot fully understand its meaning, and there is significant truth in that. Until you encounter it yourself, the deep effects it can have on your life, your family's life, and your well-being may remain elusive. I strongly encourage you to save these videos for later because it will be essential to have them on hand for reference. Despite what many believe, systems such as the judicial process, as well as the roles of attorneys and police, often lack transparency and honesty, regardless of what your financial status may be. With this in mind, if you have a friend or a family member who is currently incarcerated, I urge you to reach out to them, engage in conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and take the initiative to conduct thorough research. It's vital to remain active and informed rather than passive. Your support and your diligence can make a world of difference. I recently received concerning information from a reliable source regarding the conditions at the Madison County Jail in Madison, Alabama, and I believe it's important to share this with you. Before I dive into the specifics, I'd like to provide some context and relevant figures about this facility. The Madison County Jail was designed to hold up to 1,220 inmates, but as of right now, there are approximately 1,139 individuals incarcerated there. While this number seems to fall within the jail's capacity, it's crucial to acknowledge that the facility is only staffed to manage around 800 inmates. This situation creates a concerning shortfall with at least 339 inmates exceeding the staffing capacity, raising serious issues regarding safety and care. Examining the years between 2008 and 2018, it is noted that 9 inmates tragically lost their lives for various reasons, including medical emergencies, injuries from assault, and SUICIDES. Although official statistics were not released for 2019 and 2020, independent investigations by AL.com and Reuters found that at least 5 inmates passed away in 2019. The following year, 4 more fatalities were recorded, none of which were linked to the COVID-19. Overall data for Reuters indicates that 14 inmates were unalived between 2008 and 2019, marking the highest death toll among the largest local jails in Alabama during that span. This alarming statistic highlights a troubling potential to provide the essential care mandated by the Constitution for those who are detained.